4, 3, 2, 1. A little cautious here. Are you going to bump and say hello? Hi, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Is that a tradition here?
Yeah, there's a name. It's called a gentleman's tap.
Oh, well, see? I believe the tapping is over now.
Yeah, gentleman goes out the window after that first tap.
Oh, Little White Rocket gets a good hit on that engine front. Oh! Back into that little white car. Still moving though. And a big hit. There it is. Oh, a test of wheels between those two cars.
Lucas and Chris with some head-on hammer time action.
And it's still running. He gives the thumbs up, ladies and gentlemen. 635 is doing this until right now. That I do believe might be the end of that. Oh, God, it's still running. We're down to 3 wheels on 635. Is that against the rules, Henry?
No, sir. That's game on. Where there's a wheel, there's a way.
This might be it. Anymore, Harry. It's still running! It's still running! 635 is not giving up! Oh, 635, you're in my heart now. Who is 635, Hillary?
635, we have Anthony Paosi.
Anthony, my man. That 635's got to go to the Hall of Fame.
Let's get it.
We had a couple of red flags here. Red flag, red flag.
Caution on the field there. Got to move that extra debris out of the way before it goes through a window and hits somebody. Safety third, right? Safety third.
Checking in on that car. I don't know. I think I might have found myself a new mechanic. If that car could run after all that, then Anthony Paosi, my man. Yeah, I believe you're the station mechanic for Cool FM, my man. That thing still runs?
What?
I believe we're down to 3 now.
Okay. You can bring my shirt over there and use it.
2, point to 2.
How about a round of applause for that driver right there?
We have a fuel leak, so that's why this poor guy is out now. But hey, you know how to take a hit, you know how to deal a hit. That's the way to go.
We're still under red here. They'll be dropping that soon enough. I can still hear those motors purring though. Someone's hungry behind the wheel.
Okay, we're down to 2, ladies and gents. We got 24H Chris Hornick and number 18 Carter Donis.
And then there were 2.
3, 2,
1. Green flag. I don't want to say racing because this ain't racing.
We're smashing.
But we got 2 cars. This is it. Oh, we're lining up real good. Oh, there it is. That'll buff right out. Don't worry about that.
Couple pulls, just a buff.
24H, and who else is in there still?
18.
18 is only working on 3 wheels too. That back right tire ain't doing nothing other than leaving skid marks now. He's targeting that front steering tire on that car.
Have to be careful on those sides because you got to be careful at the driver's door.
He's going for that tire though. Oh, he's got it in gear. Oh.
Smoke show time. A lot of times too, when you get smashing, your steering changes so much because your parts are so bent you don't know where you're going.
That could be the finishing hit, ladies and gentlemen. Not sure. He's lining up for a kill shot, but that might have been it.
Giving him a count out, see if he's got any left in him.
Got any juice left in that? Oh.
He's trying.
It moved.
He's trying.
There's smoke. Where there's smoke, there's
another hit. All right, that's it.
We got it ready. We got it finished. 18. Now, how about that, ladies and gentlemen? How about that?
Congratulations, Carter Donis.
And that was only round 1.
How do you like that, guys? A good first start for the first heat of the day, or what?
I'd say drive a victory lap, but I'm not sure.
Caution on the flag, caution on the field. Gonna pause.
We got it red, we got it red.
Gotta move that debris out the way.
Oh yeah, that's
There's still one more chunk there in the middle, boys. Hold it, hold it.
We're still on the red, drivers.
Let's not hurt our organizer here.
All you need.
Everybody might not be fond of the guy all the time, but he's the one that runs the show.
Remember, drivers, the people you see.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, some strategy there from the 1976 car.
The one time you're happy to see those blocks.
Like sharks circling.
Bring them on the Rosie.
Rosie, the first one hit.
I think 1976 is looking for a little souvenir from the other car, trying to get off that back quarter panel.
Maybe he's like those Toyotas gas pedal stuff. Red.
Red, red, red.
Give it.
Looks like we got a winner. 1976, Justin Jermanis. Congrats.
That 1976 car still got a little giddy up and go left in her.
It's good.
cabin boy, Tyler Duquette, number 19.
Yeah, we'll move them. They didn't come, we'll move them over. They won't know.
And finishing out the veteran, Jeremy Chandler at 69%.
Because they're not even coming to sit, so they move them over.
Him and
Now go with the Jimmy.
You look so comfy and cute in that little.
Ladies and gentlemen, on a day like today, what we'd like for you to do right now is just a moment of remembrance. We've got the drivers to shut off their engines. It's time to take a minute out to remember those who we've lost during the COVID break
It's okay. We know.
and this year.
I don't bite.
Those people that aren't here to enjoy this day today like we are, just a moment for them. Because those men and women, they're the ones that helped put the Comber Fair and these demo derbies together all these past years.
They got in
So for
trouble.
those that aren't here today, just a moment to think about
You are
them.
not taking Nathan's chair, you little turd.
I offered it for him.
There we go. Boy, you got 2 girlfriends now. Wow. You're lucky, little boy, already.
Thank you all for joining us today. We'll see you again next year, right? But we're not done yet. We're not even halfway through this, are we, Harry?
No, certainly not. We got a bunch of heats left for you guys yet. We have 10 boys in this heat right now, getting ready. Flags are in the air. Let's hear those engines start up.
The tiger trap.
And we'll get ready to count them down again once we hear all those engines up. Seatbelts on, airbags off.
Oh yeah.
We get a thumbs up for everybody. Thumbs up, drivers. You're good to go, good to go, good to go. Okay, count them down. 5,
5, 4, 3.
Gentlemen, stop, and away we go.
That 24-inch car, that rear end's looking a little exposed. And that could be, that's still turning. Those tires still turning on that one. On the farm, circle around. It's tire with a vengeance. That was a near miss. Near miss by the 19 car, but he's looking for that one. He's got him lined. He's got him lined. He's got him lined. We got a lot of action going there already, Harry.
Never ending.
Oh, big hit. Oh, here's the price of the cement. I think this heat's going to fall down to whoever has still air in their back tires. That 19 is looking for a run here. Where's 19 going with this? Where's 19 going with this? That's where 19 is going with that. That 6 car looks like it's pulling to the left a little bit, but...
Hold on, stop!
Red.
Stop! Lay on the
Red.
Hold up! Stop! Red flag!
Drivers, red flag.
We should have checked to see if you were colorblind first, eh?
Well, as they clean up a track here, Henry, that was exciting. You know how much those blocks weigh that are in front of the booth here?
I don't, do you?
More than 15 pounds, and to move those 2 blocks like they did takes a lot of horsepower.
I would assume so, yes, absolutely.
Probably upwards of 30, 35 pounds per block there, and they moved 2 of them.
Pretty funny, yeah. Must be colorblind. Well, yeah, I can grab it.
Okay, wait a sec, driver's out.
We're still under red, but you can hear it purring out there. That blue black truck in the corner, I think still has some gas going through that engine. We're still going hammer. Green flag rubbing now. We got a line up on 69 there.
How that Ford's even moving, everybody's wondering.
Not moving now.
Unbelievable, that truck's still running.
Trying to get off the wall, guys. Somebody else let that. There we go. That's what he needs.
Just one last variant back there. He's not done yet.
There we go. Hit 6. We want to see hits.
I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that all the power steering is gone from these vehicles. They're just going to try and muscle their way around. 69's coming in for Oh, just circling around it. You know, he's still there. And here it is. Nope, not this time. Oh, big time. Oh, here it is. That'll do the metal for the back end. Here it is. Well, if that tranny's still working in that 69 car.
Truck wants to go, but you can't when you don't have a wheel.
Looking for the finishing shot here, lining it up, all the time in the world. This could be it.
Let's hear him, let's hear him.
An engine shot is at the end.
Waiting on the count out from the official. Not happy yet, he wants some more hits.
We got a red flag, drivers. Red flag.
There you have it, ladies and gents.
69% wins 100% of that round right there. How about a hand for that driver? Who is behind the wheel of that 69%?
That's Jeremy Chandler.